So, hi guys. So, knowing automation by heart is very, very important for a virtual assistant. Especially if you want to make your work faster and more efficient. Kapag kabisado mo na ang system, mas madali mo nang matatapos at maayos ang workflows ng mabilis. So, pag natutunan mo ang Go High Level, you can also customize automation based on your client's needs. Kasi alam naman natin na bawat businesses may iba-iba siyang requirement. So by mastering Go High Level Automation, you know exactly what workflow fits best for your client's needs. Whether small businessman yan or big client, you can adjust it to match their goals. So once automation is set up, you still have to explain it to your client. So kailangan nilang malaman kung paano nakakatulong ang automation sa business nila. So it's important na mapakita nyo sa kanila kung paano gumagana ang automation. So mga you need to guide them and explain to them how everything works. In short, mastering Go High Level makes you more efficient, it saves you time, and makes you stand out as a skilled virtual assistant who knows how to improve your client's businesses. And again, that's our goal. We need to make sure na naiintindihan din ni client yung nangyayari sa automation. The more you understand and master the system, the more valuable you become in freelancing world. Kaya importante mga mi na maintindihan nyo yung automation by heart. So yun lang mga mi, sana nakatulong. Bye!